Hello, this is an extract from Amelie Nothomb. So this is Amelie Nothomb, Metafísica de los Tubos. In English is the character of the rain. What I'm going to do, I'm going to read the passage and then I'll translate it as best as I can. Death. I had thought about that question in detail. Death was the ceiling. When one knows the ceiling better than oneself, that is called death. And the ceiling is what prevents the eyes and the thought to rise up. When the metro goes out to the daylight, when the black curtains open, when the asphyxia finishes, when the only necessary eyes turn round to look at us, it's the stone of death that rises. It's the stone of death being removed, and is our skull sepulture that becomes an open sky brain. Those who, one way or another, have known death too close and have come back, have inside themselves their own Eurydice. They know that inside them there is something that remembers death perfectly well, and that it's better not to look at her too close. And this is because death, like a rabbit hole, like a room with closed curtains, like solitude, is at the same time terrible and tempting. One feels that you could feel well with her. It would be enough to abandon oneself to meet with this inner hibernation. Eurydice is so seductive that we have a tendency to forget. Why should one resist to its charm? And one should resist for the simple reason that generally death's way is one way only. If it wasn't for that, it wouldn't be necessary. I sit down on the stairs thinking of my white chocolate grandma. She helped me to liberate from death, and a few time after, her time had come. At least my memories of her conserve her existence. My grandmother had started my memories. In just compensation, she's still alive, preceded by her chocolate bar, as if a magic wand. It's my own way to give her back what she gave me. I didn't cry. I went up to my room to play the most beautiful of games, the spinning top. I had a plastic spinning top that was worth all the marbles in the world. I made it turn and I looked at it, fixating it during hours. That eternal rotation made me serious.